Good morning, class second, and our second chapter was going on of English grammar, isn't it? And that was what sentences, and I have given you homework, and still many of you haven't sent me the homework in my WhatsApp number. I don't know why. So it was completed, some things were completed, some exercises are left, but before starting I will request you all to please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, share it with your friends and like the video. Alright, so again I am repeating, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, share it and like it with your friends. Like it and share it with your friends. Alright, now let's move further what it is. This was the homework I have given you. What it was, as you all can see. Now color the boxes according to the type of the sentence, isn't it? What you have to do, you have to color the sentences according to what? According to the type, isn't it? If it's a statement, then in yellow color. If it's question, then in red. Command or request, then in green color, isn't it? So your very first question is what it is. Let's see. Yes, it is, where are you going? So this sentence is asking the question that where are you going. So question mark, then it's your question, isn't it? I love chocolate. So this sentence is giving you what? It's giving you information. That means this is a, a someone who is telling the information that this will be your, yes, of course, it's your statement. Please sit down. Please, the word please is here. That's mean it's very easy. It's your request, isn't it? Move forward. Now this sentence is giving the command, so it's in green. So it's your command. Now last one. We study in St. Paul's Inter College. Now this sentence is also giving the information. Then this will come in your statement. So it's in yellow. Alright. Yes. Now let's move to our next exercise. That is what it is. Yes. Fill in the blanks with full stop, question mark or exclamatory mark. Now this line is saying that you have to fill in these blanks. As you can see, these blanks with what? With your question mark, with full stop, with question mark, with full stop or with exclamatory mark. Now let's see. Here you go. As you can see in the screen, sorry. Yes, you have to fill the blanks with question mark, full stop, exclamatory mark. Now let's read it. Where is my mother? Isn't it? Your question is saying that where is my mother. Now where is coming here, then it will be your what? Question. So question mark will come. The grass is green, it's giving the statement, then full stop. The food is very tasty. The food is no, next one is the food is very tasty. So this is giving the strong feeling. From this sentence we are getting to know that someone is giving us the small sorry, not small, that someone is giving the strong feeling, that they are having the strong feeling. This you can see as in the picture, that the food is very tasty. The food is very tasty. Yes, as you can see in the picture. Question mark, full stop, the food is very tasty. Then what will come here is the having this sentence is showing you the strong feeling, isn't it? So your third number is they have two dogs. Now this is also giving the information, this is giving the statement. Then what will come here? Yes, full stop will come here. What are their names? Now this sentence is asking you the questions. This is saying कि, what are their names, then question mark, isn't it? I am reading a book. Okay, this is also giving information and information. Okay, and this is what a statement. So full stop. When do you want to eat? This is what? This is a question, then question mark. Yes. Yes, then what will come here? Here also it will come your question, and please come in. Please. So it's what? Yes, it's a request. Then also full stop will be here. If you want, you can take the screenshot, or I will show you in another. Yes, you can have a look of this, and if you want, you can take the screenshot. Where is my mother? Question mark. The grass is green, full stop. The food is very tasty, exclamatory mark. Okay, question, full stop. The food is very tasty, exclamatory mark. Sorry, they have two dogs, full stop. What are their name? Question. I am reading a book, full stop. When do you want to eat? Question mark, because this is asking that when do you want to eat. Okay, please come in, and it's a request, then it's a full stop. Take the screenshot. Okay, I think we should move further to our next exercise. Yes, here it is, and what it's saying. Yes, read the passage, underline the statement in yellow, the question in red, and the commands and request in green. Now this is saying that you have to underline the where there is a statement, then you have to underline it with yellow. Questions are there, then with red. Commands and requests are there, then with green. So we will do as it is written here. So Sunday fun. Okay, now let's move. This is a whole para. Alright, this, I think it's clear enough. This is your para. Okay, the whole para. We have to read this para, and then what we have to do, we have to underline it. Okay, that means statement in yellow, the questions in red, and the commands and requests in green, isn't it? So your first line, I am bored, said Minu to mummy. Now Minu, in this sentence, Minu is giving a strong feeling. Means she is having a strong feeling, and what she is saying that she is bored. Now this sentence, because it's an exclamatory mark over here, if you all can see, then this is giving the strong feeling. So I have told you that exclamatory mark also comes, it's not necessary that it will come only in command, it can come in a strong feeling. If we are having a strong feeling of something, then we can have this exclamatory mark. So this is what, this is a statement. Okay, then what we will do, we will color it with, yes, we will color this with yellow color. So let me find out the yellow. I think it's perfect. Yes, so this will come in our yellow color. I am bored, sorry, yes, in which color? Yellow color. I am bored. I am bored, it will come in your yellow color. Can you see it? It's very clear. Said Minu to mummy. Now it's over. Now the next sentence is, come here and help me then. Now what this is giving? This is giving the command. Now mummy said that then come here and help me. Okay, this sentence is giving the command. So it's not a request, it's a command, isn't it? So this will come in which? Yes, in your green color, because it's a command. So this will come in which color? This will come in your green color. So we will do this with green. Alright, now your next sentence is what it is. Please put these clothes in the cupboard. Now this please is there. Okay, which sentence is there? There is a please word. So it is what? Please. Then this will also come in green color. Said mummy. Now next line is, should I put my jacket in the cupboard too? Now this is asking the question. Then in what color this will come? This will come in your red color. Which color? Red color. So should I put my jacket in the cupboard too? Okay. No, your jacket is dirty, said mummy. So this sentence is just an just a statement, isn't it? So with which number it will come? It will come with your yellow number. Which color? Yellow color. No, jacket is dirty. Alright. Now go and wash your hands. This is what? This is, you can say it's a command. Okay, so which color will come here? Yes, of course, green color. Alright, are you all able to see this? What shall we do next? Now this is what? This is your question. Then again this will come in your which color? This will come in your red color. What shall we do next? Now your last line is what it is. If you can see, we will have lunch now, mummy said. Now mummy she requested, or she gave the command. It's request that what we will do. Then she said that we will do lunch now. Then this will come in your green color. Last one in your green color, isn't it? And your last number is your which one? What will uh, we will have lunch now, sorry, we will have lunch now, it's in your green. Why? Because it's a request, or you can say it's a command. So obviously it's a request. Okay, so if you are not able to write it, no need to worry, I will show you this. Yes, if you want, you can uh, take the screenshot of this. Alright, time for your homework. So this is your homework, you have to learn the definitions. Alright, and the definition of what? The definition of sentences. Sentences. Alright, this is your homework, and please note down this and uh, send me where? Send me on my WhatsApp number. Alright, so yes, please take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe, don't go out. Alright, and what we will do, we will repeat this exercise one more time. This one. Alright, so what is written? Fill in the blanks with full stop. Yes, fill in the blanks with full stop, question mark, or exclamatory mark. Alright, so where is my mother? This sentence is asking the question. Is it? This sentence is asking you the question then when these words are there. As I've told you before, these words where, when, how, what, where, when, how, what, etc. Whenever these words are there, then what will come over? Then there will be a that means that sentence is asking the question. Then what will come there? There it will come always a question mark. The grass is green. This is giving the information that the grass is in green color. It's only the giving the what? Giving the information. The food is very tasty. Now I have told you in a previous class that the class which was on Monday, means yesterday, then in that class what I have told you, I have told you that exclamatory mark comes there when there is a command, or where there is having a strong feeling, this mark comes there. Okay, strong feeling means this they are saying the food is very tasty, and if you can see in this pic, they are enjoying the food, isn't it? How they are enjoying, this girl, this boy, they are enjoying the food, right? So it's a strong feeling. Then what will come here? Exclamatory mark. They have two dogs. Now again this is giving the information, then it's a statement and it will come full stop there. What are their name? As I've told you before that these words what, where, and how, these words tell us that the a person who are in front of me or us is asking the question. So what will come here? Your question mark. I'm reading a book. Then this is what? This is again a statement. This is giving the information. Then it's a full stop. Alright, let's move further. Yes. So, when do you want to eat? Now, again, here is a word when. So, what will come here? Yes, obviously, it's a question because the person is asking the question. Then what will come here? It will come your question mark. Please come in. Please come in. Right. So, what it is? Please, word is there. It's not important that in every sentence, in every request, please will be there. Sometimes it is hidden, right? So but here it is the word please, then it is what? It's a request. I hope it's clear. Yes. Now next exercise. Yes, this is saying read the passage and underline the statements in yellow, the questions in red, and the commands and requests in green. Now it was a Sunday. As you can see here, it was what? It was a Sunday. So, Meenu was saying that I am bored. She was saying that she is getting bored. Okay. Sorry. She was saying that she is getting bored. And this is what this is giving the strong feeling, as I've told you before, it that this exclamatory mark tell us that the person who is saying a sentence or a statement is having a strong feeling. Okay, so that's why it's in yellow color, and this is what this is your uh, statement. Okay, next, come here and help me. Now this one is giving the command. Now mama is saying that then come here and help me. She is asking for help, but she is giving her a command, so it's in green color. Please put these clothes in the cupboard. Please word is there, then it's obviously then it's a request, so it is in green color. Should I put my jacket in the cupboard? Now this Meenu, she's asking her mother, she's asking that can she put her jacket where? In the cupboard. Okay, this is asking the question, so it's in red color. No, your jacket is dirty. Now the mom is giving the information to Meenu that no, your jacket is what? It's dirty, so you can't keep it in the cupboard. So what is this? This is the statement because it is giving the information. Next, now go and wash your hands. Now mom is demanding. What she's demanding? She's demanding, or she is giving the command to Meenu that you should go and wash your hands. So it's a command, so it is in green color. Now what shall we do next? It's a what word is there? Question mark is there. Then what it is? It's a yes, it's a question. Okay, so it is in red color. We will have lunch now. Okay, now please try to understand this sentence. Meenu is asking her mom, sorry, his mother, that what we will do next. Then the mom is saying that we will have lunch now. Okay, so yes, so we will have lunch now. Now this Meenu asked question to her mother, and her mother replied to Meenu that we will have lunch now. What she said, that we will going to have lunch now. So this is a request, or you can say an order. So it's in green color. Alright, are you getting? Yes. Now I think it's over, and I've told you to sorry, to learn the definition of sentences and write these in your notebook. Please try to understand. If you have any doubt, then ask me on my number, alright, on my WhatsApp number. And take care of yourself. Don't go out, stay at home and stay safe. And please do learn the exercise, do learn the definition of sentences I have given you in your homework. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Take care, stay at home, stay blessed.